Hi everyone, welcome back. This is another episode that I'm filming for you. The inspiration was eggs. So we're doing kind of sort of a egg theme, buttercream, coloration, arrangement. I don't know how eggs are really the theme of this, but we're using eggs for the video. Anyways, I've hollowed out, I've got this really cute ceramic container that holds eggs that you put in the refrigerator, but what I've done is I've already gutted it out, hollowed it out, and I filled fresh water in it, and I'm gonna use this as my container. I've got this bowl, so it's kind of sort of kitchen-esque theme. This is a cereal bowl or a soup bowl that I've already put foam that is pre-soaked, and I also have a compote container, or a footed container, whatever you want to call it. And this is already pre-done with a floral foam as well. And you have all these beautiful buttercream and yellow greens and flowers from Yarrow, ranunculus, spray roses, stock. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first start with our eggs, and I'm going to take very, very tiny greens, like one like this in each. Then I'm going in with these little boys or girls, whatever you want to call them. I'm doing a cluster of them. And I'll repeat that with all of them, but let me show you one. And then move on to the next. This. So cool. Here, let me cut a couple, get it all ready, so I can have this all ready for all 6. Love these. I think they're in the mum family. Of course, I know. They smell amazing. And you can get, the great thing about it is they're little tiny flowers. And they work great when it's very kind of loose arrangements. Of course, some of them break because I'm very forceful to my stems of flowers, where you have to be really delicate to them. And look at how cute this came out. Can you imagine you serve, this is a breakfast theme, let's say, with the eggs. You do a whole buffet, and you have your eggs and eggs Benedict and all your eggs buffet. I think this is a cute concept. I know I took a little longer. Now I'm taking my stock, my yellow stock, and I'm cutting it half of the stems. And what I'm going to do is quickly insert them all the way around without paying attention to height or anything like that. And I want a really full and lush arrangement. And I love stock because if you don't want to use hydrangeas, they're a good, bulky flower that serve like a hydrangea, except, you know, they're vertical, so you have to do masses of it so you can get the shape that you want, the round shape. I think I'll add, the foam feels a little dry, so I will go back and I will water the foam one more time. Now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to use this beautiful variegated greenery. And, you know, I like dissecting it and just adding a little flavor. and fullness. And that actually intensifies the yellow. I'm gonna take one more. And now I am going to go back and do my yarrow. Tight. Just on the base. And then I'm taking my spray roses. They're a beautiful buttercream color. Found these at the market this morning. And you don't have to put them all the way around. You can just use it, you know, just a couple stems here and there. You can take out the green a little bit because you don't want all that green to overpower the arrangement. And then I'm going to go back and do these. This is gonna make it a little bit more playful, yeah? And then it breaks all those, you know, formed flowers because this is a little bit more airy. And then I'm gonna take a bunch of this buttercream or nucleus. I'm gonna take 2 or 3 at a time. I'm gonna cluster them. And then I'm gonna hold it all the way into the bottom and then get close to the foam so I don't break it. See that? You can do that 1, 2, 3, whatever. You can do 2 or 3 clusters like this. See that? Look how gorgeous that looks coming out. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. And then let's go, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. And then we're gonna go back. And all we're gonna do is take this bowl, cut these very tight, and fill the foam completely. As I'm filling this in, I'm trying to think what's the second flower that I'm gonna use in here that's gonna look amazing. And in order for this to stand out a little bit more, I'm not gonna use a lighter color. Do you have a guess of what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put in the yarrow. It's great, it can dry beautifully. And I'm going tight inside. And I'll probably do 2 more stems. That's all I need. And then I'll go fill the rest of it with that, the colored. 1 more maybe. I don't change my mind. I just sometimes working on something, I think I don't want to. I'm not frugal. I like abundance, but sometimes I'm working on it and I don't want it to take too much flowers because I want it to be cost effective. But then I realize in order to do something really nice, you do have to fill it up. That's the whole secret, right? Abundance. And simplicity is great. Look, this is simple, but it's an abundant simplicity, right? Got 2 more left, 2 more insertions. And then I'm gonna clean up the table, style this, and bring it together and you're gonna see how amazing this looks. So let's go. Let's clean up and I'll come right back. So I am back. The arrangements are done. I did the large one with mix of flowers. Then I took the small bowl and I just did two elements, the greens, the green and yellow foliage and the yarrow. And then of course I took the eggs in the beautiful ceramic egg holder, and I gutted the eggs and I put water and did these little mums in there that look really, really cute. Anyways, I thank you so much for tuning in one more time. I hope you're enjoying these creations. Make sure you are logged into our or following us on the community on our YouTube page. Follow us on Instagram and all my social media. And I love you guys. Peace out.